I just got 50 subscribers on my YouTube channel. I'm so happy. I'm excited. I started this channel from zero followers, and now I'm at 52 subscribers, and I hope to do more. You know, starting a YouTube channel is not a very easy thing to do. I just started to share my journey, my life experiences, things going on around the world, traveling, and now I have 52 subscribers. I know it is little to some people. Some people have way above that. But as a small channel, as a beginner, I am happy that I got 50 subscribers. And I can say how I got 50 subscribers was just consistency. I try to post regularly because um the experience what made me start posting on YouTube was when I was denied my visa, my USA visa. So I started making videos about my visa denial and all those things. And luckily for me, my first video I got 460 views. So since then, I kept doing it. Then I went for the second interview. I made videos about it and I got little views. So now I'm at 52 subscribers. So now I'm targeting getting 100 subscribers. Another thing that helps me grow my channel was posting shorts. uh, Most of the videos I make, the long forms, I cut it into shorts and I post it. So if you are a new YouTuber, or you're just getting started with your YouTube journey, you can make your videos into shorts. Once you post it as shorts, people people will be attracted to your channel. They will watch it and want to, if they like what you are seeing, they want to watch the full video. And there is when you are posting it too, you can put end screens. You can also there's something called tags. You can tag your long form video under your shorts. So once people watch your shorts, they they come to your long form to watch it. So I'm excited for this journey. So if you are a small YouTuber, I would love to know how many subscribers you have now and how many subscribers you want to have at the end of the year. So let's put it out there for the universe and everything will work out. So this is Life with Bola. You can subscribe to my channel for more. Thanks.